In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to email in Kit. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to do this using the video block inside your email editor. This will work whether you're building a broadcast email or setting up a sequence, so you can follow along no matter what type of message you're creating. First, open the email draft you want to add your video to. This could be a brand new email or an existing one you're editing. Make sure you're in the editor view where you can type and format your content. It often helps to place your cursor on a new empty line where you'd like the video to appear, so everything stays neat and easy to read. On that empty line, look to the left side of the editor for a small plus icon. This is the button you'll use to add different types of content blocks. Click that plus icon, and a content block menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Video. As soon as you select it, Kit will insert a video block into your email at the location of your cursor. Now you can decide how you want to bring your video in. If your video is already hosted online, for example on a platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, just copy the share link for that video. Back in Kit, you'll see a URL field associated with the video block. Paste your video link into that field. Kit will automatically recognize it and generate a playable video thumbnail for your email. If you prefer to upload a video file directly from your computer instead of using a hosted link, look to the right-hand sidebar in the editor. There, you'll see an Upload tab related to the video block. Click that Upload tab, then choose your video file from your computer. Give it a moment to process, and once it's done, the video will appear in your email just like a hosted video would. After your video is added, you can customize how it looks so it matches your brand and layout. Click once on the video block to open its settings in the right-hand panel. Here, you can adjust the size of the video to make it larger or smaller, change the alignment so it's left-aligned, centered, or right-aligned, and tweak the play button colors to better fit your email design. Take a moment to preview your email and make sure the video placement and styling feel right before you save or send.